Thanks for joining me on my channel today. Today I will be cash stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of August. I know I'm a little bit behind, but I just didn't get a chance to filming this video. I was supposed to do it last week, but got a little busy. Things got a little hectic, and if you guys haven't heard about the fire in Lahaina, Maui, just been really busy with that and with work, and just a lot has happened in the last couple of weeks, so I just didn't get a chance to get around to filming this. But today I finally have some time, so I will go ahead and stuff everything. And today will be a total of $613, so I'm not going to count out the cash. There's a bunch of 20s in here, a few 50s, and then some loose change. But I hope you guys all been doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. We're starting a brand new week, heading into, I believe, is this the last week of August, which is super quick, but I'm kind of glad because fall is around the corner. Hopefully things will be cooling down a little bit. But on the side, I do have my little cash breakdown to help guide me. So first, we will start with my long-term binder. Oops, sorry, short-term binder. And I will be cash stuffing $200 for bills. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, perfect. So we have 51, 20, 40, 60, 82. So 200 for bills. So altogether, bills has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320. So 320 for bills. Next is golf. I won't be cash stuffing anything for golf this time. For beauty, I will be cash stuffing $40. Alright, so we have 20, 40, 60, 60 total for beauty. And then this is a brand new envelope that I added to this binder. This is the Aloha Kekahi envelope, and if you've been following me on Instagram, I've mentioned that this is a limited edition envelope that I have on my site along with the Ko'okua Fund. And basically this is to help aid with the Maui fire donations, and I thought this was great. Aloha Kekahi is to share love and aloha with one another, which is much needed at this time. So I will be giving $10 to this envelope today. Okay. Next is the long-term binder, and first envelope is emergency. So emergency will be getting its usual $20. So we have 150, 253, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 580. No, is that 680? 152, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah, 580 for emergency. Next is car expenses. Car expenses is getting $20. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 for car expenses. And pretty soon, the end of the month is when my safety check expires, so I will be dipping into this to help fund that. Next is future. Future will be getting its usual $20. So future has 51, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, and 410. Okay, next is gifts. Gifts will be getting $20. Next is holidays. Holidays will be getting $40. So holidays has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 200 for holidays. Alright. Next is parents. Parents will be getting $40. Oops. Oh. Altogether, parents has 50. I don't know why I keep messing up on the 50s, but it's a 51, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370 for parents. Lucy, Dash, and Ollie will be getting $20. And total 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Alright, so that's it for my long-term binder. Next will be my on-the-go envelopes. So we're going to start off with groceries. Groceries will be getting $70. So 50 and a 20, so that's 70. Next is eating out. Eating out will be getting $40. And then household will be getting $20. Alright, that's it for my on-the-go envelopes. And lastly, we have the 100 envelope challenge. So I will be putting $6 in the $6 slot. So that's right here. You see? There you go. $6, and then I'll be putting $7 to the $7 slot. That's right here. And then lastly, I have $40, so I'll be putting $40 in the $39 slot. Then I'll be putting the stickers on the trackers. So we have 6. Then we have 7. And then 39. So we filled 3 envelopes for the 100 envelope challenge. Okay, and that's it, everyone. So we cash stuffed everything, and thank you so much for joining me today. And I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who had ordered from my site last week, and 30% of the donations, 30% of the profits went to 3 organizations for donations for the Maui fire. And I'm so grateful to every one of you, because together we were able to raise $150 total and donate $50 to each organization, which is awesome. But thank you so much for your support and love, and thank you to those who have reached out to me just to make sure that I was okay. But thank you so much, everybody, for your love, support, and awareness. And with that said, I will be closing out this video, and hope everybody is safe and have a great rest of your weekend. Bye!